One of them is going to apply the water really fast, like a rainstorm, and the other is going to apply the water very slowly and consistently right there at the plant roots. And it's important you know the difference because there's a lot of consequences in scheduling your irrigation system. We did a consumer research project and we found that people thought that this shower head was the biggest water user at their home. The reality is this shower head, which is a water conserving one, puts out about 2 gallons per minute. This sprinkler head, one of them with a full circle nozzle, puts out 3 gallons per minute. One sprinkler head can be putting out more water than your shower head, and a lot of people may have dozens of these out there. This is going to run very short. In some cases we may be talking about just 10 to 15 minutes of total run time. You may not want to run it for 15 minutes continuous. It may put too much water on and the water may run off, or it may pond in the yard. So instead what you do is you divide that into thirds, maybe run 5 minutes at 5 a.m., 5 minutes at 6 a.m., and 5 minutes at 7 a.m. as an example. It's able to take those small drinks of water and pile them on and load up the soil so that the plants can drink from it during the rest of the day. So that's what we call the cycle and soak method. Cycle it on, let it soak in, wait a while, cycle it on again, and so forth. This drip emitter, this puts out a few ounces of water per minute. So literally like a swallow of water in a minute, where this is going to put out 3 gallons. Drip irrigation works really well for plants that have root systems that can adapt to it. So even though you might not be wetting the entire root pattern of that plant has a root system that will take the water from where it can find it and make it available to the rest of the plant. What you want to do with drip is run it anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes. How long depends upon how many of these little guys are out there and how much volume each of them applies, which is a trick to learn. Once you determine that optimal run time, you want to skip days between. You want to run your drip system about 3 times as long minimum, but maybe only 1/3 as often as your sprinkler system runs. That's kind of a good starting point to figure out the general guidelines, and then you would work from there.